Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to get back the old classic version of right click context menu on your Windows 11 computer guys. For that opens up File Explorer. For example, I'm doing it. For example, opens up File Explorer. Go to any file or folder in here. You just right click on it and go here, show more options. Here opens up new menu. So more option. Here opens up the classic menu guys, the old version of it. Windows 10, Windows 7, everything it on it. Copy, cut, everything is the classic one. That's it guys. I want to show you that how to open that. For example, I show you again. Right click on it and click show more options, and here opens up the classic menu guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.